This is the banggood 1 to 5 charger to charge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 batteries up at the same time, parallel. As the wall carry ends, these are for the Hubsan, or from in my case at Traxxas QR-1. So basically, just add up the milliamp hours of each one of those. These are 260 each, so I got 1300 or 1.3 amps. So you make sure here it's set to 1.3 amps. It's parallel charging. It'll be a 1S. You just hit go. This is really nice because it lets you charge all 5 of these at the time it would take to charge one. All right.